Hi there guys, I'm Nikhil from GreedyTech and this is the unboxing and review of the boAt Nirvana ION earphones. Now boAt is venturing into the premium category by launching Nirvana ION. This is their first product in the premium category and also their first product in the new Nirvana series. And this is the next big thing. And I must say this product also brings in some new features which we didn't see in other earphones in this price segment. I'll talk more about that later. Now here's the box. It looks very premium. It is completely silver in color. It says the next big thing and Nirvana ION, and there's also the boAt branding. Let's unbox this. First we have a glass dome showing off the product. Beside that it says best in the segment, and we also have some highlights like it has 120 hours of total playback time, 20 hours of earbud battery, it's got Crystal Bionic sound, quad mics ENX technology, and it says unveiling the next big thing. Yes, all these features are pretty impressive. Now let's remove this. Now here's the case. We'll come back to it in a minute. Now here it says powerful inside out. You're looking at the next big thing, and there's also the boAt branding. Now inside there's a small box or envelope followed by a USB Type-C charging cable and finally some extra ear tips. Oh, by the way, inside the lid of the box there's some more text saying cutting edge design and limitless possibilities. Now inside the smaller envelope there's some documentation, mainly the boAt head stickers, warranty card, FAQ card and the user manual. Now here's the case. First let's have a physical overview. Now this is a complete 360-degree view of how the case looks like. It's completely made of plastic, but it also has this steel strip going all around, which makes the case look quite premium. On the front we have the boAt branding, and below that we have an LED indicator. On the bottom there's a USB Type-C charging port and a circular reset button, which is actually pretty well hidden. The rest of it is pretty plain. Now once you open the lid, you can see the LED light blinking and you get to see the earbuds. Now here's a closer look at the earbuds. On the back side we got the boAt logo on the touch control area. It's got the wave design on either earbud stem, and it also has a mic towards the top. On the bottom there's charging pins and mic on either earbuds. On the front there's a left and right marking, sensors for autoplay and pause, ear tips, and we get to see the same wave design from the back of the stem, which still continues to this side. Now the case with the earbuds weighs about 55 grams and each earbud weighs 5 grams, which is pretty lightweight. Now the case might be slightly on the heavier side, but it does come with a bigger battery which offers us 120 hours of playback time, which is something really rare in this price segment. Now these are some specifications. We got 120 hours of battery life with the charging case, and the earbuds can last up to 24 hours in a single charge, which is really huge. Next, it's got Crystal Bionic sound with Hi-Fi DSP. Both earbuds come with the 10mm drivers, which is pretty good. And you also have 4 mics with ENX technology. We got a very seamless pairing feature along with auto pause and resume, which is brand new in this price segment. Next, we also got a dedicated beast mode, especially for gaming, with 60 milliseconds of low latency. It also has IPX4 water and sweat resistance with a USB Type-C charging port, and it comes with Bluetooth version 5.2. Now the pairing process of these earbuds is pretty simple. Like with any earbuds, you can just open the lid to start the pairing process, but surprisingly for these earbuds, once I did that beside my phone, I actually got a prompt on my phone to connect to the earbuds, just like we see with the AirPods on Apple. It's definitely a new feature. I tried it with 2 to 3 different branded phones and it works really well. Anyway, once you get the prompt, you just need to confirm and you get to pair with the earbuds. Now once you pair these earphones, you get to see the battery percentage of the earbuds and the charging case in the notification area, or else you can directly go to the Bluetooth settings to once again check for the battery percentage. Once again, this is a pretty good feature which is really useful for everyone. And most of the Bluetooth earphones in this price segment doesn't support this particular feature. This was the another premium feature that I was really excited about. Now let me give you a quick preview of the auto pause and resume feature. Now the earbuds are on my ears, and let's say I'm listening to some music and I just need to remove the earbud to pause the audio, and when I put it back, it automatically continues the playback. Once again, this is one of those premium features that you can only find on premium earbuds, say like Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro or the AirPods. So for me, it was really surprising to see this feature in a product at this price segment. And by the way, this particular feature, auto play pause, also works really well. Now coming to the rest of the functionality, we just got a single touch interface on each earbud, and you can just do a single tap to play or pause. On the right side you can tap twice to play the next track. You can do the same on the left side to play the previous track. You can do a triple tap on the right side to increase the volume, and you can do the same on the left side to decrease the volume. Next, you can tap 4 times on the right side to trigger voice assistance. You can also do a tap and hold for 2 seconds on the left side to change the EQ mode, and you can do the same on the right side to switch on or off the beast mode. Finally, we also got a dedicated reset button on the case itself. You can just press and hold it for 10 seconds to do a factory reset. Now coming to the review, I'll start off with the design and build. Now the case looks pretty good. It's a pretty standard design, but the materials used are pretty good, and this metal strip does make it stand out and definitely makes it look a bit more premium. It's got a USB Type-C charging port, which is really appreciated, and you also get a dedicated button instead of a small hole for the reset button, which is once again a very nice feature. And if you have noticed that it doesn't stick out, like it is very well camouflaged. So overall, I really like the design and I really like how boAt went into the attention to the details. Now for the earbuds, they look pretty standard when it comes to design, but with that extra wavy design. Now the stem might look slightly on the thicker side, but when you compare the bigger battery they hold, it's definitely worth it. And by the way, I forgot to mention, they fit pretty comfortably in air and they don't weigh anything at all. Like once you put them on, most of the time you won't even notice the weight. So 5 grams per earbud is definitely not a problem. Now when it comes to audio quality, it does give you a very rich audio experience and the details are also really good. Even below 50% of its volume, it's pretty loud, and at full volume, it is super loud. But even at max volume, there is no distortion, so that's pretty cool. Even the call quality on these earbuds sounds pretty good, there are no connectivity issues, and the sound quality is pretty good. Now finally, when it comes to the battery department, it does last longer. I've used these earbuds continuously for 5 to 6 days on a single charge of the case, and the case still has more than 70% of battery. So the battery life of these earbuds and the charging case is pretty good and pretty impressive. So guys, to conclude, this product is priced at $1,999. It's available in black color and you can buy it both online and offline at the same price. You can buy it online on Amazon, Flipkart or the boAt's official website. If you're looking to buy true wireless earphones around 2000 rupees, you should definitely consider the boAt Nirvana ION. It's got premium looks, it's got great battery life, it's got pretty good audio quality, and you do get some extra premium features like autoplay pause, and you get to see the battery percentage of the earbuds and the case on the phone, which is pretty handy. So I would definitely recommend you to get this product. So guys, what do you think about this product? Do let me know by commenting below this video. With that said, this is Nikhil signing off. See you in my next video.